Good morning, good morning, good morning AIM Global family. 2016 was a great year. There's so many breakthroughs, transformations, increase in the organization and income. Imagine this. We launched new products, we launched AIM World, we conquered new markets, specifically Canada, Australia, and Europe.
And all these achievements are possible because of your tremendous support to our beloved company. To one and all, to our members and distributors, for all your support, thank you very much.
Maraming salamat po. If 2016 was a great year, let's set our sight on 2017.
And make it an even greater year. Let's welcome this year with a big bang. Let's unite, stay focused, and achieve together our greater goals for 2017.
Let us work on greater dreams, greater product offerings, greater networks, and greater territories in the world.
And as we envision greater things together for the future, we are counting on you.
Let's continue to inspire and be a blessing to each other.
And as one big global family, let us touch more lives. Let us share the good news of health, of wealth, of financial freedom, of career, and of charity and outreach programs to the entire world. Only the biggest, only the boldest, and the brightest is yet to come this
2017.
AIM Global Family, thank you.
And happy 2017!
Happy 2017.
Welcome 2017.
AIM Global